How to change email on Microsoft account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you through the process on how you can change your email on your Microsoft account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you have a Microsoft account with a specific address and then you want to change it, what do? Well, it is possible, but for that, first of all, go to account.microsoft.com and then just make sure that you're signed into the account. So currently you can see my current email address is bimel65@outlook.com. Now let's say I just want to change the suffix or the username of this email address. What do I do in those cases? For that, first of all, from the top of the menu you will find this option known as Your Info. You want to make sure to just click the Your Info tab. Once you click the Your Info option over here, you're going to be taken on the next page where you might be asked to re-sign into your account. So let us wait until this new page has also been loaded up. Once we're under the Your Info page, if we scroll down here, you'll find account info, and then here you find email address. So currently you can see it is set to this is bimel65@outlook.com. So I want to just click on the edit account info button. Now, first of all, verify with your password again, and then just click the sign in option here. And as and when you do that, on the next page it will ask you to verify your identity. So let me also go ahead and simply verify my identity by entering the verification code that was sent to my other account here. Now this process might not appear in yours because you might have verification turned off. In my case, it is showing up because I have two-factor authentication turned on. So I'm going to wait until I receive basically the code that I received from Microsoft. So as you can see at the very top, I have basically received the code. You want to make sure to open the code here and then just make sure to copy it, come back and then just paste the code and then just hit the verify option. And then once you've done that, on the next page you're going to see this type of interface where you can see my current account alias. Now one thing that I can just tell you over here is that you can add a new email address over here and just remove the old one. And as long as you don't remove it, you can log in using either of this as well as the new email address. But if you remove this old one, which means let's say you have all of your accounts logged in and created an account with this. Let's say you have a Spotify subscription that you created using this email address. You're going to lose that. Well, even if you don't lose it, next time whenever you want to reset your password, maybe whenever you want to cancel your membership and they ask you to verify your email, you will not have access to this address. I personally had this issue myself when I changed my Microsoft email. So I changed my email basically, and what it does is that I remove the old one. Next time I couldn't log in with this email as well as the new email, and then I basically lost all of my subscriptions and so on, and I had to cancel them. So that's how it's going to work. You simply want to make sure that you don't remove the old one if you at least want to keep all of your subscriptions and the accounts. You can add a new email and then make that your primary alias, as you can see here. But to give you a basic idea, this is how you can change the account email on Microsoft. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.